Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the fields of biology, gender studies, and human rights. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as intersex, 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 intersex. It refers to individuals born with physical sex characteristics that don't fit typical definitions of male or female, including variations in chromosomes, hormones, or anatomy. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about intersex, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.